How to set up or remove a Kiosk account with assigned access. If you need to lock down a Windows device for public use, Kiosk mode using assigned access is the solution. We'll show you how to manage Kiosk accounts in this video. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is a Kiosk account? In Windows, Kiosk mode allows you to configure a device to run only a single application in a locked-down environment. This is achieved using a feature called Assigned Access, available in Windows 10 and 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. The Kiosk app launches automatically in full-screen mode and cannot be closed or minimized. Users can't access the desktop, task manager, file explorer, or even the start menu. It's ideal for environments where you want to reduce distractions or prevent misuse. The benefits include a simplified user experience, increased security, and total control over a single app. How to set up a Kiosk account with assigned access. Let's walk through setting up a Kiosk account, starting with Windows 10. Open the Settings app, go to Accounts, and select Family and Other Users. Under Set up a Kiosk, click Assigned Access, followed by Get Started. Enter a name for the Kiosk user and select the app this account will run. Lastly, configure restrictions such as allowed websites or auto reset after inactivity. In Windows 11, the process is slightly different. Start by right-clicking the Start button and opening Settings. Go to Accounts and then Other Users before clicking. Get started under Set up a Kiosk. Enter a Kiosk account name and choose the single app to run. Configure options specific to the app. Then click Close to complete the setup. How to remove a Kiosk account with assigned access. Finally, removing a Kiosk account in Windows 10 or 11 is just as easy as creating it. In Windows 10, go to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users, click Assigned Access, choose the Kiosk account, and click Remove Kiosk. In Windows 11, navigate to Settings, Accounts, Other Users. Under Set up a Kiosk, select the Kiosk account name, expand the Kiosk info section, and click Remove Kiosk. To wrap up, Kiosk mode in Windows 10 and 11 offers a simple but powerful way to secure public terminals and keep devices focused on the task at hand. For more information, check out our official blog post on setting up or removing Kiosk accounts, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.